What's up guys, Rodrigo here, welcome back to one more video guys. Today, can you see this guys? Yes, we are still there, we are still fighting for this level of support. We are weak, we have no strength as I've been telling you, and you can see that we went all the way up to $30,400 but on today's candle, but we went down all the way down, and we are right now trading at $29,700 guys. The price action is showing a lot of weakness for the Bitcoin price. And the question now is, guys, are we going to really break this to the downside, or are the bulls stepping in and showing some strength for us in the next couple candles, in the next couple days? On today's video, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin scenario and also about Ethereum. So stick with me until the end of this video. Don't forget, of course, guys, to sign up to Bybit or Bitflex, depending, of course, on what you prefer. Do you prefer to trade anonymously? Yes, so you have to sign up to Bitflex, because right now Bybit is requiring KYC, while Bitflex is not. I personally use both of these platforms to do my own trades, so that's why I am recommending it to you. And using the link down below, you can claim up to $30,000 bonus. So click right there, sign up and claim your bonus. Coming back to the chart, guys, as we talked previously, you can see that we are right now at the level of this important support. Yes, it is a very good support. Yes, it is a very important support. But you have always to remember, guys, that the most we try and retest a level of support or resistance, the most probable it is to be broken. So if we zoom in and come to the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see that before, very rarely, we would come down to these levels, you can see. And now, only on the last couple hours and days right here, we tested it already 3 times, as you can see. Yes, all these times right here, we were rejected and we saw some pumpy actions after touching this place, as you can see. But we didn't have enough strength to break above the level of this important resistance here that I was telling you about on the previous videos. We went up, we were rejected from the support, but we stopped right and exactly at the level of this resistance. And now, so far, we are once more being rejected by this level right here. As you can see, we are on the bottom of all the movement and we are forming this hammer. So yes, we might have some pumpy action here once more, but the thing is, we are going to finally break it to the upside, this resistance, or we are going to break the support to the downside. And the answer is nobody knows. Nobody can predict, of course, what is going to happen, but we cannot forget that on the bigger time frames we are having some bearishness, some bearish signs on the daily and on the weekly time frame. So this increases the probability of breaking to the downside. And also, if you pay attention at the volume right here of all this movement, the highest spikes here are from sellers, not from buyers. So even though when we go up, we don't see volume. We don't see people that want to buy the Bitcoin. And this is, of course, one more sign of weakness. And the last thing that I want to point out here today on the Bitcoin chart is, if you're a subscriber, you saw me talking about this bullish divergence that we were having here on the 1 hourly time frame right here. There we go, on the level of the support. So I said that we had a great probability of having a relief rally, and guys, exactly as I said, there we go. So shout out to you that took some action and made some money on this movement. And coming to the Ethereum chart here, guys, I also told you on my previous videos that this important green zone right here would be a great zone to open some short positions. When I said this, we were down here at the level of this support, retesting it for the first time. So when we were back here, I said, guys, this zone right here, this green zone, is going to be a very important level, a good important level of resistance that we can be using to short the Ethereum price. And as we can see, we touched this level sometimes, and all the times we touched it, we went down. 3 different times. So also shout out to you that took some action and made some money. And that's the situation that we are having here for Ethereum price right now. We are trapped right here in between this resistance level and this support level. So of course, you know already, if we manage to break this to the downside, we are most probably going to have a continuation and search to a new level of support. And this new level of support could be any of these lower lows right here. These previous lows right here, here, here. And of course, the most important one would be this one. More important and more catastrophic, because if we break this level here to the downside, this one, the last one, we don't have many things right here to hold the prices, guys. And all the zone, as you can see, when we pumped, we just went straight to the upside. And the same thing could happen here if we lose this level of support here, the last level of support and the most important one. If we lose this level, we could see a severe drop right here, aiming probably the level of this support right here at this zone. And on my humble opinion, that's what I think that is going to really happen on the Ethereum chart, and I really think that we are going to come all the way down to this low because of this bearish rising wedge that we were having right here. We broke to the downside, retested the support as a resistance, and now that's our target. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, hit the bell, and I see you in the next time. Stay focused.